Stop. It is vegan and cruelty free. Stop it. My turn. Is it vegan? Stop. Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special guest. Please welcome the one, the only, Nikita Dragun. You are a brand owner. You are the most scandalous person I know on the internet. And we finally mustered up the confidence to bring you on my platform, which I hope won't get tarnished with your presence.
Well, now that you've officially been cancelled, I think it's time to
Now PatrickStarrr
appearance on your channel.
Since I'm the saving grace of the beauty community. Also, today, in honor of Halloween, Nikita Dragun and I are dressed up as Lady Gaga and Beyonce from the iconic video phone. Let's zoom out and show you guys all our food we're about to eat today in 3, 2, 1.
So we have amazing delicacies that we will be putting in our mouth today.
Shall we open this?
I don't really know how to pop bottles. Wait, how do you do this? It's like this.
I think so. Not on my outfit, you fucking bitch.
Sorry, bitch.
How'd you do that? Let me try. That life wasn't for me. One eternity later. Wait, you forgot to take out the thing. Oh my god, this one is for you. It says work hard and be nice.
Okay, so Patrick, being that this is one of your first ASMR moments with an ASMR artist like myself, what do you want to put down your throat first?
I think I want to start off by shoving that little egg roll in the front in my throat. If you could reach for me because my corset is too tight. Thank you.
You're really enjoying that one.
Okay, I have more room now. Try the macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni in the pot got that wet ass pussy.
is vegan and cruelty free. Stop it. Nikita.
I love this shade. It's so pretty.
That's disgusting. So pigmented. Same. My turn. Is it vegan? To give it to me. Stop. It's a very nice shade. I use this all the time. Nikita, stop.
Let's trade.
Let's go over some of the names. There's estrogen as a color. D. I don't want to do it because I can. I just want to stop.
There's so much product in here. Look how pigmented it is. Wow.
I can't do that to this one.
I'll give you another one. I'll do it again.
You have to give me another one.
Yeah, promise.
Wow, look at how little product is in here.
Well, it is $30 USD.
Oh my god, I hit band so quickly.
Like in life, there's different levels to everything.
Wow. Oh my god.
Look, you guys, there's no fallout at all.
Oh wow, look at this one.
Why don't we test whose black is blacker?
This is called Nasty. Wow.
This is called Turban Legend. Wow.
Same lab. I'm just kidding.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shop one size on onesize.com.
What is beauty?
Shop one size on onesizebeauty.com and at your local Sephora in-store and online. I will be launching my next makeup campaign very soon. Actually, very, 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 very soon.
And also follow me at Nikita Dragun on TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, Pornhub, Xtube, Sean Cody, and be sure to check out Dragon Beauty at dragonbeauty.com, and also my newest Metamorphosis palette in all Morphe stores. And also check out all Dragon Beauty also launching in every single Morphe store. And don't forget to use the discount code that gets you the most money off other than every other influencer, including James Charles, for more discount and better quality. The discount code is
PSTARRR.
PSTARRR.